Hey Mark, come watch this. It's motocross. On PUBG. I love this new bike.
It's not new.
Oh, I'm out of gas, guys. Hold on. Hold on, I got a gas can. I brought it for good reason. If it would let me use it.
It keeps having like one in.
Oh, a gas can gives us full tank. That's cool.
Not all the time.
I've been doing it for like the last 5 minutes and nobody's come and killed me yet. I still don't know why sometimes it flips in circles. That doesn't make sense to me.
So how much is your bike at?
Still one half.
It's smoking pretty bad. You're leaving a giant smoke trail. Hang
Go for the ghillie suit, Tony. Go for the ghillie.
I know, I gotta find the plane. I don't see it. There's too much smoke.
Go on the other side of the fucking tree.
I had a dream I got a ghillie suit, but then I died.
There it is. Bearing 75. Watch, there's gonna be a ghillie suit in there. Ow! And I'm gonna see it just long enough to get shot.
Yep. Or to die.
That was some bullshit.